Hello everyone, I just want to do a little video to cover a couple of problems that comes up quite a lot with these older Scalextric slot cars. I see it asked a lot on the groups, Facebook groups, and I've looked through YouTube and I can't see anyone else doing videos. They might be on there but I can't find them that covers these two particular problems. So I mean this is how to fix. People have different ways of doing it, but this is how I've found the best way to do it. The first one is drive cogs. Now what sometimes happens is you get, that wheel's slipping, as you turn the wheel, every sort of quarter of a turn it sticks in either direction. You can force it through, but you get that sticking. Now what happens is, if you look in there, hopefully it can focus. In the cog, you just see there, in the white pinion, there's a hairline fracture down the centre of between the teeth. That is your problem, which stops the cogs syncing up, or meshing if you like. And that is why, when you try and use it, they get noisy, doesn't quite drive properly, and then what happens is eventually it slips down the motor pinion, drive, and doesn't actually match up at all. You can push it back, but the same thing will happen again. So what you do for those, you change it for the newer style. Now these old ones, because they're split, they just pop straight off. Let's see if we can see the split just there at the top. Excuse my nails, they're covered in paint. I've been painting some cars. You see the split just in the top there. Now the newer style ones, see they've got the sort of reinforced back, so one side of the cog is completely reinforced to prevent splitting. So you put one of those on with the reinforced section at the rear. Now they push on, some push on easier than others. I've never had any trouble doing them by hand, but some people struggle. I just sort of put my nail on and carefully push it down into place. This car needs a good service and a good clean, which it's going to get, because this is the one where, that's where my nails are painted, because I'm currently painting the body. Now that spins, no sticking at all, complete spin. And if we try and run it, it runs real nice. So that's the drive cog problem. This might just want pushing back down just slightly actually. And then the other problem is wheel slip, particularly on the older cars, especially stuff from the mid-90s, where if you sort of, what I tend to do is put my thumb on the drive cog in the middle and then try and push the wheel. See, that's turning way too easy. That one's alright, that one's not, but this one's just slipping way too easy. And it causes wheel spin, and after a few laps the wheel works its way off. Comes off way too easy. Okay, so what I do with those, a lot of people try putting a blob of super glue on, and I used to do that years ago, and then I found it doesn't really stay. It doesn't work for very long, because this is just a nice clean metal. It's not going to adhere to that. So I've got these pliers, reasonably sharp teeth, and all we're doing is we're roughing up the end of the axle. So I grip it in the teeth, give the reasonably firm grip, and then just twist to rough the end of the axle up. As you can see there, it's roughed it up a little bit. And then I twist it again to get the smooth parts that I haven't got. Do that again. It's popping out of the body, don't worry about that. Just a few twists like that. So the axle's quite well roughed up. And then just push the wheel back on. And this has worked for me for, well, I've been into slot cars now 25 years, and cars I did way back in the day of still not slipping, and then it pushes back on a lot firmer. So now if I hold the middle, that's not moving. Excuse it popping out there, I might have to put new bushes on, but now it's not twisting, and the other one's the same. So that's that. And like, if any of the other wheels do it, just rough them up. This one was alright, it's gripped. I won't cover bushes and things because there's hundreds of videos covering bushes. I've got to do these in a minute, but that's fine. There's plenty of people covering that on videos. I just wanted to cover those two items because might need tyres. But yeah, some of the most common problems that I can't find many videos for, so hopefully that helps somewhat. And you can get these older cars running real nice. Thanks for watching.